Backsplash install. This video is meant to be a representation only. Work should be performed by a licensed installer. This process shows installing a backsplash after an existing hood is mounted to a stone surface. Install the backsplash prior to the hood body if installing a new hood and backsplash together. The tools required for the procedures shown in this video are cordless drill, a P2 Phillips bit, an S2 square drive bit, a rotary hammer, a 1/4 inch masonry bit, an 1/8 inch drill bit, a tape measure, an 8mm nut driver, a 10mm nut driver, a hammer, screw anchor inserts, foil ducting tape, a marker, 2 stainless Z-brackets, 1/2 inch number 8 self-tapping sheet metal screws. Pull the range out of the opening. Removal of an existing range and hood body is necessary to install a backsplash. Measure and mark the width of the range opening and mark the center point. Note the distance from the center point to the countertop material edges. Then measure and mark the width of the hood opening and mark the center point. Then measure and mark the distance from the range opening center point to the countertop material edges -1 inch at each side. Position each backsplash mounting bracket at these outer measurements with the tabs faced up and away from the wall surface. Now space the bracket the thickness of the sheet metal, or 1mm, from the bottom of the hood body. Mark the screw holes for the mounting brackets with the marker. Now mark the screw holes for the mounting brackets at each side. Now disassemble the hood. Remove all the trim pieces from under the hood canopy. Remove all 8mm bolts along the front of the hood body. Remove the hood body front panel. The duct cover. Unplug the insert power cord. Disconnect the ducting from the blower insert. Remove the filters and spacers. Remove all of the insert mounting screws. Carefully remove the blower insert with an assistant. Remove all of the rear panel mounting screws. Remove the hood from the wall with a second person. Roto-drill the anchor holes in the stone material. Tap in the anchor inserts with a hammer. Screw in the Z-brackets to the anchor inserts with the drill. Slightly tap the Z-brackets downward to make sure the brackets are in the lowest position possible. Test fit the backsplash to the wall and center it in the range pocket. Remove all of the protectant laser film from the backsplash. Mark out the mounting holes in the bottom flange. Temporarily remove the backsplash. Roto-drill the marked bottom holes in the stone material. Tap in the anchor inserts with the hammer. Remount the backsplash onto the Z-brackets. Screw the bottom holes into the anchor inserts. Remount the hood to the wall with a second person. Reinstall all of the rear panel screws. Remount the blower insert into the hood body with an assistant. Using the front and rear center holes first, rescrew the insert into the hood body. Reinstall the upper support bracket. Plug in the power cord. Reconnect the ducting with the foil tape. Reinstall the duct cover. Reinstall the hood body front panel. Reinstall all 8mm bolts along the front of the hood body. Reinstall all of the trim pieces, sides first, then the front panel last. Reinstall the filters and spacers. Now test the lighting and the blower motor functions. Clean the hood and backsplash surfaces with a cloth and a stainless steel cleaner. Put the range back into position and push the range up against the backsplash surface. For any install-related questions or issues, please contact us at installations@frenchranges.com.